Alright guys, we're back in the storage with my dad. So today we're gonna be fixing the spark plug hole. I bought this off of Amazon. I think it was like 70 bucks. And to be honest, it worked pretty good. I've been seeing a lot of mixed reviews on a couple different kits, and I made sure to grab the one that had the best reviews. And I mean, by the looks of this, if you can't tell, definitely did its job. Took out all the metal shavings. See if I can show you in here. Now we're gonna be making our new threads for our inserts for the spark plugs. It's going just like this. That black piece is there to make sure it's straight. So yeah, I'm gonna put down the camera and do this real quick. Alright, we got the insert in with the new spark plug. Basically you're gonna be putting the spark plug inside of this, and this is gonna be going into your head. So yeah, make sure you put a good amount of Loctite, just not too much on the tip so it doesn't drip into the engine or into the spark plug. But got that all figured out. I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I'll turn it on. Well, I'm gonna let it warm up, turn it on, and you already know what we're gonna do, right? Right, Pa?
Me knowing you knowing me, a burnout.
Yeah, right? I was thinking about doing a two-step, but burnout sounds better.
Yeah, two-step, it works, but a burnout works even better.
That's even better, yeah. That's a good test to make sure all the cylinders are working. Yeah, right. If it pops, I'd rather it pop here than me trailing my four-wheelers on a long trip or something. So I hope that doesn't happen, but that is gonna be the good test. I think that's a better test than a two-step because you're actually gonna be putting load on it. So we'll pick this up tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. So we got the van all together. We drilled out the hole. We put a new threading kit in there, and then I put a new insert so the spark plug will go right in it, just how I explained to you in the last clip. Currently we do have everything together, but my luck, this van started up every day but today. Today's the day that I'm gonna start it. Hopefully be running all 8 cylinders instead of 7. So yeah, as you know, well, yeah, the battery is dead. So we are gonna have to wait for another day. I'm gonna let it charge overnight, and we'll give this another try tomorrow. But yeah, I'm pretty glad that wasn't too bad of a fix. Well, I'm getting too excited because I haven't even started up the van yet. So yeah, I hope it works. Honestly, I mean, it shouldn't come out. It should stay in there. But you never know. I could rev bomb this thing or do the burnout and this thing will pop right out all over again. So hope that doesn't happen. But hopefully it doesn't. And we'll be back tomorrow. And I don't know, maybe we fix the issue. Maybe we don't. I don't know. We're gonna find out in the next video. We're gonna go through it together, going pin by pin of what can go wrong in the Jack Spaniel harness. So it will basically be a video just for like newbies, because I'm no professional. I have no idea what I'm going to be talking about. So it's just going to be a quick overview of going through a harness and all that stuff. So hopefully figure out the issue. But back to this video. I've been doing a few things to the Ford. I got the spark plug thing off. I got the spark plug all tight and fixed. I did the burnout. I did a 2-step test. She's all good. So I trust it for now. Put new headlights on it. Looks much better. It looks much better with new headlights on, instead of these old ones. So let's give her a nice cold start. Let's see if we can turn this thing on and take it out. I also fixed all of the leaks. Had valve stem leak on this one, on the passenger front, passenger rear, and driver front. And I also had a And I also had a nail in the driver rear tire, so I had to fix all that. Put a plug in it. But let's start up the van. Nice cold start. She's running real smooth, all quiet in here. I put the dog box back in, so now we are ready to go. We are ready to go. One less issue to deal with. I got the tires fixed, misfire fixed, the spark plug fixed. The next thing is gonna be coming for this van is some new mirrors. I'm gonna be getting some tow mirrors. I ordered already since that one's broke. I gotta fix this window, put it back in track, do oil change. I gotta fix the differentials leaking too. So I still got a long list to go, but we are getting it done. My bad, I've been not posting videos. It's been cold, mix of cold, and I haven't really been doing enough. I haven't been doing enough to pick up the camera. So yeah, we're gonna be pulling this out right now, and I'm gonna change out I'm gonna be changing out my mom's axles on her car. So yeah, let's pull this thing out. Reverse. Smooth, real good, super smooth. Alright guys, so we're in the van right now. We're gonna be doing a mirror upgrade. Since I'm gonna be towing the Civic, since I'm gonna be towing my four-wheelers, I wanna have a good clear view around me. So, and we're gonna be comparing it with the stock E150 mirrors. Alright, so this is side by side off the bat. It's the same length side by side, but the tow mirrors are taller, and of course they do stick out more. Probably like, I would say 2 inches out more. So it's definitely gonna help me see more around me in the van. So let's install these and I'll show you how it looks outside. Oh yeah, definitely sticks out a lot more. Definitely gonna enjoy it. I'll be sticking out a lot more. Definitely gonna enjoy it. I can at least look all around the van. It's gonna be nice having a mirror on this side, because this side I don't even got a mirror. So I'm basically just blind on this side. Pulling it in here, I gotta guess and hope to not crash on this, because I cannot see on this side. So yeah, we're gonna show you how. So I'm gonna show you the difference in length in this side and then on the other side. As you can see, this thing was tired. This thing was very tired. They made it work. The old owners made it work for now, but now it's time to upgrade to a tow mirror. So see how long this is. I know it's upside down, so I'm gonna try my best to get a good measurement. So I'm close. I mean, off the bat, it looks like 12.5 from this end right here. Right here is the end of the mirror. Not at this angle, but you see what? Not this angle, you can see it. 12.5. And this side. All right, and on this side, it looks to be 16 inches. So you can't really see it. There you go. This angle, you can see it. 16 inches. 16 inches from the door to the end of the tow mirror. So you gain 4.5 inches. You gain 4.5 inches from the stock mirror to the tow mirror. So let's put on this other side and I'll show you how it looks after it's done. It's definitely looking good. I don't know if I showed you the front end of the Ford with the new headlights. It looks very good. That definitely looks very nice with the tow mirror. So let's get this side on. All right, so as you see on this side, we have the whole door panel off. We have to put this window right back on track. Right now it's loose. I have this holding it. This does nothing. So got to put it right back on track and put in the tow mirror on this side. So Let's take this plastic off. All right, so this is very simple. Just these 4 bolts right here. This is a 11. These are all 11s. So, yo, this should just be all 4. I'm gonna do it right here on camera. Yep, that one probably broke. Yep. That one probably broke. That one's probably broke. All right, so it's pretty much about to fall off. Yep, and then we got this wire right here for the power mirrors. We're not gonna be using that no more, so we're gonna disconnect. So we're gonna disconnect this and put this inside of there. So we're taking out the bolts right now. Well, the stud part of the mirror, since these broke off of the mirror. I found this is the best way to take these things out. I'll take it out again. The other side of the nut. You're basically just gonna put this in the hole, and you're gonna pry against it like that. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit to help the socket take out the nut and prevent the stud from spinning. So yeah, I figured this is a better way than with this vice grip, since even with those skinny vice grips I couldn't get it even in here. So this is the best way to do it. I will show you. Actually, let me see if I can do it with one hand. It's not gonna be the best recording, but I'm trying. All right, so we finally got this one out. Yeah, we did mess it up a little bit, but it will be fine. That was the only way that I figured out that could take that out really quick, and it worked. If you have any other suggestions, I know there's gonna be the people in the comments. Throw it in there. What's another way that you would have done it? So we're gonna be putting on the other tow mirror on this side, and I'll pick it right back up. All right, so I thought the tow mirrors were just already extended out. I didn't have to extend it even more, but I did not know these could extend even more than what they already were. Which, yeah, these are tow mirrors, so yeah, I should have expected it to extend more, but damn, I did not expect it to be even longer than the other side. So let's show you how long it is on this side. Try my best. Okay, so we are about 20 inches. If you can see it through the camera. We're about 20 inches fully extended, 16 inches pushed in, and with the stock one was, I believe, 12 and a half. So we went up 8 inches with the extended tow mirrors. Not bad at all. These were not bad at all. These were really easy to install. Just these 4 bolts. That's pretty much it. Right now I'm just trying to figure out this blower motor mess, and right now I'm just trying to figure out this regulator motor mess that I don't know, it's not bringing the window up or down. So I gotta figure out what's going on. I gotta check the regulator, and yeah. But if you like today's video, I hope it was somewhat good. It's been a while since I've even uploaded. It's been cold and I haven't really had anything to do that was worth. I didn't have anything worth recording. Yeah, if you like today's video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.